Hello everyone. So this how to create your custom WhatsApp link. So instead of dropping only your WhatsApp number on your social media pages, you can create a custom message. So when someone click on that link, you get the message. Okay. So what you do is you go to one link. Okay. One link. Then when you open, you're going to get this interface. Then you choose your country. Okay. So we are going to select Nigeria, then you add your number. Okay. Then here you're going to add your message. Okay. So this will help your potential customers when they want to make inquiry or buy your product or pay for your service. What they do once they click the link, you get that custom message, and this will also help you in case you use WhatsApp automation. You can actually copy the message you're going to write there to automate the reply. So when you get such messages, your WhatsApp automation will send the automated reply in case you are not online. Okay, so we're going to write a message here and say hi. I am interested. Okay, so here we have our messages. So once someone click on this link, this I will get this message. So the person don't have to type anything. Okay, so you can click here to preview how it's going to look when you get the message. Okay, so this how it's going to look. So what you're going to do now is we are going to generate the link. Click on there. So this is the link. So what you're going to do is you copy this link and paste it anywhere you like. Maybe on your social media pages, wherever you like, on your landing pages, such that when people click, it brings them to your WhatsApp with this custom message. I hope this helps. Bye.